Model, FLFBS, Fatboy 114. Pricing colors base, $21,999 vivid black $350 color option premium color, $525 premium plus color, $650 ABS option standard security option standard cruise control option standard California emissions $200 freight $700. Engine Milwaukee 8114 bore 4.016 in, stroke 4.5 in, displacement 114 cu in compression ratio 10.5 to 1 fuel system electronic sequential port fuel injection, ESPFI, exhaust 2:2 staggered, catalyst in muffler. Dimensions length 93.3 in, seat height, laden 25.9 in, ground clearance 4.5 in, rake, steering head, deg, 30 trail 4.1 in, wheelbase 65.6 in, front tire Michelin Scorcher 11, front and rear tire Michelin Scorcher 11, front and rear tires, front specification 160/60 R18 70V BW tires, rear specification 240/40 R18 79V BW fuel capacity 5 gal, oil capacity, with filter, 5 QT weight, as shipped 671 pound weight, in running order 699 pounds. Performance engine torque testing method J1349 engine torque 119 FTLB engine power 94 HP/70 kilowatts at 4,750 RPM engine torque, RPM, 3000 lean angle, right, degree, 25.6 lean angle, left, degree, 25.6 fuel economy, combined city/highway 47 miles per gallon. Drivetrain primary drive chain, 34/46 ratio gear ratios, overall, first 9.311 gear ratios, overall, second 6.454 gear ratios, overall, third 4.793 gear ratios, overall, fourth 3.882 gear ratios, overall, fifth 3.307 gear ratios, overall, sixth 2.79. Chassis front fork dual bending valve 49 mm telescopic with aluminum fork triple clamps, dual rate spring, beer can, covers rear shocks hidden, free piston, coilover monoshock, 43 mm stroke, toolless hydraulic preload adjustment wheel type, front machined, Lancaster cast aluminum wheels type, rear machined, Lancaster cast aluminum brakes. Caliper type 4 piston fixed front and 2 piston floating rear brake system type front and rear silver, split 7-spoke floating rotors. Electric lighting. Lights, ASPER country regulation, headlamp, tail/stop/front signal lights 8, all LED headlamp, low and high beam with signature position lighting, bullet style, dual element incandescent stop/tail/turn signals, incandescent bullet turn signals gauges 5-inch analog speedometer with digital gear, odometer, fuel level, clock, trip, range and tachometer indication.